I'm Jenny.
And my name is Glenn. We chose Mayflower Construction to renovate our kitchen. The kitchen looked like, before, it was just a lot of unused space. So when we first came in after it had been renovated, we thought, wow, it's like the kitchen looks twice as big as it was, because there was a lot of unused space in the back with this bar counter that was never used except for our pantry, all the space underneath. And now that's turned into a lot of cabinet space and a lot of space for a real pantry, which we never had.
We wanted a company that would help us with the design part as well, because we're not the type of people who can look at a space and say, here's the best layout, here's exactly what our vision is. And so that was important to us.
It had to be a one-stop shop from design all the way through construction. I think one of the reasons we chose Mayflower is just being comfortable throughout the entire process. We felt welcomed in as part of the family. We felt, again, as Jenny said, not judged for some of our choices and not pressured to do something that we didn't want to do. We felt listened to by Mayflower, and it was just one of those things where we knew that it was the right decision. It was like a gut feeling, really. The finished kitchen is, I'm going to say it's a bit overwhelming in the best way. There's so much to see and so much to get used to that it's going to take a while. Jenny and I have never had anything this nice in our house. So it's a bit luxurious. Even the smallest things are luxurious, like the undercab lighting and the soft closes. We've never had that kind of stuff.
Well, and something simple, I picked up groceries this morning and I was like, I actually can decide which counter to put them on and spread them out and then put them away, which is not something that we've experienced. We would definitely recommend Mayflower to our friends and family, and I think we have already to a few people. And it will probably continue as we are able to share our kitchen with more friends and family.
I couldn't wait for the final photo because I wanted to recommend Mayflower. I really wanted to recommend you guys a lot. Like, I was a vegan patient, I really wanted to, but I wanted that before and after. So as soon as I got it, I posted it on the Facebook page that led me to you guys in the first place, and was able to show everyone the before and after. And I think you've already gotten a few calls from that, so that's good. But like I mentioned, we have some future projects that we're going to that will take place in a couple of years, and Mayflower will be the first call for those as well.